WeldCube Intelligent Welding Data Management by Fronius. Transparency, safety, traceability, and productivity are of the utmost importance when it comes to welding technology. This means that the documentation of welding data is becoming increasingly more important for many companies. Together with the intelligent statistical and analytical tools, WeldCube offers the perfect software solution portfolio for the seamless documentation and analysis of your welding technology systems. Using the browser-based WeldCube applications, you can evaluate and analyze your welding data. It's simple and available on all devices. You can choose between two variants with decentralized data storage and one variant with centralized data storage. In WeldCube Lite and WeldCube Basic, simple and decentralized logging of data is carried out directly in the TPSI welding system. These data are shown in the browser and can be accessed and viewed for each welding system. WeldCube Lite is the perfect introduction to the world of data documentation. This solution comes as standard with TPSI welding systems. With WeldCube Lite, you can document average values, welding times, and jobs per weld seam. You can display or compare jobs and export your data as a PDF document with ease. WeldCube Basic offers additional functions and records data to a greater level of detail. Traceability is ensured thanks to warning when limit values are breached, more documentation options, and welding data documentation based on a sampling rate. It is also easier to manage welding jobs with WeldCube Basic. Create, edit, delete, export and import jobs on the PC or a mobile device. Anything is possible. With WeldCube Premium, your welding data is centrally documented and displayed in a browser-based visualization. This server-based software solution can be connected to up to 50 Fronius welding systems. This allows for cross-system and workpiece-related documentation, visualization, and analysis of your set and actual values. The customizable dashboard means that you always have an overview of your connected machines and the statistics for your daily use. WeldCube Premium also offers valuable additional features. Thanks to continual further development and regular updates, your software is kept constantly up to date. WeldCube Connect allows data from WeldCube Premium to be transferred to other software solutions via Web API. WeldCube Perfect Start means that a Fronius expert is there to support you during the installation and commissioning of your WeldCube solution, and also to train your software users. Whether it's workpiece management, statistics, analysis, welding data documentation, machines overview, machine details, or job management, with WeldCube Premium, all your data is firmly under control. Try it for yourself and pick the right WeldCube solution for you. What's your welding challenge?